headlines. Kuki NP KSO team leaves for tension-gripped Chasad. Maharashtra man is India's third fatality due to COVID-19. And Nagaland bans entry of tourists. Hello, you're watching the news today at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. A team of Kuki NP Manipur and Kuki Students Organization left for tension-hit Chasad village under Kamjong district this morning to extend immediate relief material to the Chasad villagers. Unidentified people at Chasad burned down several houses yesterday in a feud over land. Reports said many fled the village after the incident. Kuki NP Manipur President Mangcha Haukip expressed shock over the arson attack at Chasad. He condemned the incident and said issues can be resolved through dialogue. It may be mentioned that the Manipur government yesterday ordered complete ban on internet in the state for 3 days in the aftermath of the Chasad incident. Sources said the village is limping back to normalcy.
Porchay relief materials mahoi dorkar oiba chanaba thaknaba amasung mahoi phiron ekhoi ngamjaba khara mayam na pirak pase mayam se challaga ekhoi thinbiruni mi amaga soinapsu koknaba yai adubo ekhoi gi ichinnaw tangkhul singna kamjong dagi leiba tangkhul singna mayam mi mai thadok pi bise ekhoi yam nungai de strongly we condemn it sumai yum thadok pa amaga ma soinabdu ngaknaba yai being a tribal machine ni amasung Christian machine ni mahoi hidang khanda pom tho hen ai ni appeal to yeningi.
The number of coronavirus cases in India rose to 125 today, even as the government put the country in a near total lockdown with states shutting down schools and colleges and banning gatherings. The number of deaths around the world linked to the new coronavirus topped 7,000 after Italy announced a new surge in fatalities as per reports. A total of 7,007 people have died with 1,75,536 infections recorded globally. China has the highest number of fatalities at 3,213, followed by Italy with 2,158 deaths and almost 28,000 cases. As the world shut down borders and limited travel, India's total number of cases touched 114 in the country after fresh cases were reported from several states, including Orissa, as the government imposed fresh travel restrictions, prohibiting entry of passengers from the EU countries and the UK from tomorrow. The Union Health Ministry also said fresh coronavirus cases were also reported from Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Kerala. A Maharashtra government official said 4 patients were detected for the novel coronavirus infection, taking the state tally to 37. As concerns over the pandemic stirred decisions across all sectors and states, including in politically volatile Madhya Pradesh. Nagaland government yesterday announced a blanket ban on entry of tourists in the state from tomorrow to prevent the outbreak of deadly novel coronavirus. According to reports, the decision was taken during a high-level meeting in presence of Nagaland Chief Minister Manipuri in Kohima yesterday. In an office memorandum, the State Home Department stated that the entry of any foreign or domestic tourist shall remain barred in Nagaland from tomorrow until further orders. On the other hand, the state government has also taken a decision to shut down all educational institutions and universities in the state from March 7 to April 12. Meanwhile, Rayo urged the legislators to go to their respective districts and hold a meeting with the district task force and review the preparedness to fight the virus. District Health Society, Senapati and Senapati District Police jointly organized a coronavirus awareness cum screening program at Margate along Manipur-Nagaland border. District epidemiologist Senapati Dr. Indira Thingbaicham said that the coronavirus screening had been carrying out since January 28 at Senapati District Police Station and Mao Market. However, due to overcrowding, the screening center was shifted to Margate. Every person passing through Margate is screened now. Over 1,000 persons are screened every day, Dr. Indira said. It's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center, Kumja listing ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntra manga hena Notice India ahan hearing at clinic mo ine lereklaba nauka gi Infal Center ama hangjare TV ama phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabang ngam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al koding mag wabi rugano nauka hearing at clinic tanga simak lension directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabang ngam gi pangal wala badom gi khangna chana ba single power se tambio aikoi gi leifam di Nagamapal main road phawai sangbam lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam lamjingbatomtv Infal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gi damak ekhoi gi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhoi gi phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tawiyo.
Adom angang na school da kari tauri, oza na kari takpiri, yum da gi ama di office da gi yam na line live class yengba yaraba status gi ahanba school and day care tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff, creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1 within Infal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2 outside Infal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3 outside Infal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 180010275959 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir.
Members of Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad donated blood for a Manipuri patient in Delhi. A press release from Masad president said that the association will provide all possible assistance to people coming from Manipur to Delhi for medical treatment. The Meghalaya Assembly yesterday passed a resolution to urge the centre to exempt the entire state of Meghalaya from the purview of the Citizenship Amendment Act. This include areas not covered under the 6th schedule, the resolution added. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma moved the resolution on the second day of the budget session of the Assembly and the resolution was passed through a voice vote. However, the opposition Congress demanded that the resolution should urge the centre to repeal the CAA. New South Wales have been named Australia's Sheffield Shield champions for the first time in 6 years after the competition's final was called off due to the coronavirus. Governing body Cricket Australia (CA) stated today. CA had already cancelled the last round of Australia's domestic first-class season, leaving NSW top of the standings. Victoria finished second. CA also recommended that all cricket played within the community is ceased for the remainder of the 2019 and 20 season in response to the pandemic. Now let's have a look at the newspaper headlines.
The Sangai expressed 150 houses towards Etchasad following Interbile's land dispute. Shyamkumar disqualification case, verdict on March 28. Imphal Moreh Road Bund suspended. Separate OPD for fever in every hospital. More censure nomination of Titula King for Rajya Sabha poll. Hericon appeals to revoke decision. FH Maitai Pangal bodies decry. Coronavirus cases rise to 114 in India. The People's Chronicle. Situation now calm in Chasad. Committee formed. Chief Minister Biren. TSA demands action against culprits. Christian bodies appeal for peace. Border trade with Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar on. India's cases reach 114. Internet ban over Kamjong tension. Federation mules de-recognizing titular king. Imphal Free Pressed. Prohibitory order claimed in Kamjong district. Propped committee formed. Situation under control, says Chief Minister. Civil bodies urged titular king to retract decision to contest elections.
Now, before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. The headlines: Cookie in PKSO team leaves for tension-gripped Chasad. Maharashtra man is India's third fatality due to COVID-19. And Nagaland bans entry of tourists. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.